Well, hello everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandma, and I'm bringing you the micro SD card. This is what it came in, and this is for my camera, of which I'm sure that you want. I'm going to use it, but I'm not going to use this one right away because I already bought one after I saw this one. But I'm going to put it in my drawer and save it because I don't know a whole lot about cameras, but my granddaughter is coming to help me do this Monday. But this is the SD card, and what was funny was I didn't know that most SD cards fit in the cameras. My granddaughter had to school me on that one, but this is what it is. And so now knowing this, I will take better care of it. Almost lost this one. I'll take better care of knowing it, being knowledgeable about it now. Put this back in here the way it belongs. I'll put this underneath here. So I'm thinking all these little cards and stuff like that. I'll tell you, boy, modern technology is a son of a gun. But I'm really curious to use it and tell you what it's all about when I find out. Because like I said, she hooked my camera up, and I'm going to start using my camera to take the film. So knowing that I need to have another, well, this is where the film is, okay? Compared to my old, I wish I had my old Brownie and my old Polaroid. I don't know what happened to that. I guess when you move and stuff like that, things get jostled around or whatever. But it would have been nice to have my old Brownie and my old Polaroid. But anyway, this is my SD card. Put this in my drawer. If you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.